Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a highlight to your custom wig, and in order to do that you're going to need some bleach. So I'm using this bleach. You're going to need a bowl with your brush. You're going to need your volume developer. I got 40 volume developer. Some foil paper, your gloves, and a comb, preferably a tail comb. So let's get into this. So I added 2 scoops of the powder in here. I'm just gonna mix in my developer. I'm gonna use a plastic fork to mix it in. I don't really measure it, so I'm just gonna pour it in. I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna mix it in gradually until it's like a pasty consistency. So I don't want it too watery. So I'm gonna keep mixing until I get it to the way that I want it. So I want to split this in like 3 sections for now. So we're gonna do now, up, down, up, down, up, and then I'm gonna lift it up. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna fold it in half. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'm not gonna smush it together. I'm just gonna fold it in half and kind of close it up like this so it doesn't come apart. Just gonna fling it over like that. See? So I did one, and then so what we're gonna do, we're gonna bleach every other section. So since I bleached this section right here, I'm not gonna bleach this section. So I'm just gonna comb it out. We're gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. Just gonna bring these up, and then we're gonna bring these up like that. It's gonna repeat, so we don't want to smush it. Just fold it over. So guys, I finished the whole head, as you can see. As you can see, some of it is already turning. I'm gonna keep it in for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back. So guys, it's been 10 minutes and I'm coming back to rinse out the bleach, and let's get into that. I'm gonna use this purple shampoo to wash it off. Then I am gonna use some silicone mix, and I'm just gonna add some extra moisture. Use the argan oil conditioner. There we go.